Hello, hi, welcome to the Lipstick Chat. We are back with a quick update of Sibongile and the Dlaminis. Things are not looking well for Gwenzo, right? But Usbongile is there for Gwenzo, supporting Gwenzo one way. Like Ugro is the Ngotuso that Ngotuso needs to be. I don't know what is Ngotuso. Is Ngotuso a fiance? I don't know, guys. But with that said, Ugirl is supporting Ugwenzo is on Gwenzo's side, even if it means ukuthi losing the roommate who is a friend, because the roommate who's a friend is saying be independent, leave Ugwenzo, make your own decisions. Ungeke uzwe ngendoda bakudonse ngempumulo nani. While they were just strolling around and then bakhuluma ngey'nkinga zabo and stuff like that, wavela-ke uBhek Muzi. Mavele uBhek Muzi wathi ukuthi bengicela ukuthi uvume ubaba akwenzele imbeleko because of ubabami uyayenza uzoshona uyagula kakhulu in. So if you disagree for this to happen, it means ukuthi you are contributing to his health negatively. Yo, hayi kwenza imthinte rough eyibalo yo. Hey batrapane, hey baturapane. Kufanele i-campus security isho nje ukuthi nina nje bongani nje uNkulunkulu, because you should be in prison with how you guys are behaving. But I think ukuthi eventually Gwenzo will accept ayenze imbeleko, considering ukuthi ubamdala uyadinga ukuthi abe okay, right? Then kube indaba kabani kaSibalikhulu babuzana ukuthi kwenzakalani. Sibalikhulu emphasizes ukuthi guys, mina ngimtshelile uKwenzo, so you guys will see to finish. Amtshelile uKwenzo ahambe uSibalikhulu-ke ayo-reiterate amagama wakhe for uNomfundo ukuthi uNomfundo, I want you to be my second wife. Now uNomfundo ugcina avumile, guys, with excitement to be uMrs Sibalikhulu the second. How that's going to sit noPhetheni, because it means ukuthi now uNomfundo needs to move in kaMedem. uNomfundo naye manje sekazoba uMedem. And then the helpers' clothes are getting lost, guys. Their gadgets, everything is getting lost. Their suspect was Uwewe. Unfortunately, Uwewe is saying it's not her. We don't know what's going on around that, but we know it's something. It's going to be something a bit comedic, something that we're going to laugh about. Ukuthi kwenzakalani ziphi izinto zabo. While uBhek Muzi is telling umfazi kabhuti wakhe, umfazi ugcina umfazi kaVusi ukuthi mamela-ke wena ulambile nje, indoda ayikwenzi izinto kumele izenze. Yo, athi ngikubhekile nje wena hungry, u-hungry lion wena, udinga umuntu azokuthi rrr. I wonder ukuthi laba angeke benze izinto engamelanga bazenze, nabo bagcine baba nokwenzo wabo azophuma 10 years down the storyline ukuthi yey, history has repeated itself. With that said, uVelephi uyawina nje ngale, uyawina kule fight yakhe no Samge, uyawina uVelephi, izinto zimhambela kahle, udonsa ikempu nje ezinye ezifuna ukuthi uSamke nje ahlale ngesibune esi1. Will this fate and this whole thing end well, or will it all come crashing down for uGanglings?